Hi, are you looking for a 4-bedroom that is above 1,005 square feet, but yet you want it to be something near MRT station and you don't want to pay the high price that you see in new launches? Yes, I can understand, because new launches today are trending above 2005 to 2008 per square feet for 99 years in the outskirts, right? What if I tell you it is possible to find a freehold or 999-year property at less than 2004 per square feet? Yes, that's something that I'm going to show you today. And before that, let me orientate you the location. This particular condo is just 570 meters from the MRT station. And right here we are at the Fort Canning MRT station. That's entrance point. There's one more over here. And just to orientate you, for those of you who drive, Marina Bay Sands is just up ahead for about 5 to 6 minutes drive. And then over here is where a short drive of about 3 minutes, you will hit Dhoby Ghaut MRT station. That's where Plaza Sing shopping mall is. And to my left, that's where the River Point and the Boat Quay, Clarke Quay is, this particular area. So right now, let's take a walk, how long it will take for us to reach there. So at this moment, we are starting off at 11:43. Let's see how fast the walk to the apartment over here. So we are going over to that apartment over there, about 570 meters, starting at 143. So let's go. And we will pass by immediately next to UE Square Shopping Mall. Okay, and you notice immediately that we are in a very nice covered walkway. So in the event of a hot day, you notice that you won't be sweating because of the nice coverage here. And UE Square is actually, inside there is an office as well as a mall. As you can see on my left, right, this way up will be the mall area. And as we walk, you will notice that we are actually passing by also a lot of eateries that I'll show you in a short while. But for now, just to let you know that for those of you who love coffee, down here got no lack of coffee, including the new Luckin coffee, which first cup is only 0.99 cents. I advertise a little bit for them. And then if you want a traditional coffee, Starbucks is just over here, right? So, Starbucks is a great place for meeting people. So it's just right at the corner. And now we will pass by the shopping mall shop mix, as you can see from here, right? Level 1, level 2, level 3. If you prefer middle of the night, you have 7-Eleven, right? Just right at the corner there. And then also, if you have something fresh, you have this CS Fresh on second story, right? Yep, CS Fresh, which is by Cold Storage. So for your daily necessity, it's all around this area. So you can see that it's a very breezy walk here, right? Nice weather today. And we will pass by immediately a bus stop in case you are somebody who prefer to take good old traditional bus, right? We have the bus of bus 32, 193, 195 and 54. 54 goes to Bishan, 195 goes to Marina Center, 139 goes to Bukit Merah Interchange, and 32 goes to Buona Vista for those of you who work in the One North area. Right, so let's continue our walk to the next place. So up ahead, you will pass by first thing the coffee shop. So for those of you who coming home, going to office, you will pass by a lot of coffee area. Coming home, you can tap out from the coffee shop, right? There's a very nice what we call roasted duck area. So you can see over there, you can actually pass by for this very, very popular food area. So the beauty of living around this area is that for your own food consumption, you eat at the local food, but when you need to entertain guests, you bring them to the entire Orchard Belt, including the Boat Quay, Clarke Quay. So it's like a best of both worlds in terms of lifestyle, low cost of living for yourself, and entertain guests easily at a luxurious location. So we'll pass by first this RV Point. So this is an RV Point condo. So for Mohammed Sultan, as you know, those of you who are young enough, you know this is a nice party area. Okay, this whole stretch is a drinking area. So beauty of this place that you no longer need to drink and then worry about getting home, because no drink driving here for sure, because you can literally walk home from your drinking area with your buddies. And coffee is even everywhere, including this ice, they call it the Ice Bath Club, which is a nice coffee and smoothie as well that you can give it a try. Walking on, you realize that again, you are still walking below building, so technically it's still quite well sheltered. Large part of the journey is sheltered. Over this area, we have a lot of shop houses. As you can see, preschool, and also a lot of spa. There's even a 24-hour shops around here. There's convenience stores. So easy, very, very easy to get around here. And of course, from this particular condo, you can even walk to Orchard, because just now we are coming back from Fort Canning, but the other side of the condo is actually Somerset Station. So you're in between two stations. In fact, you're in between 5 stations within 1 km range. So you can actually go up to Dobby God as well, go up to Fort Canning, go up to Somerset, and go up to Clarke Quay, Boat Quay. So surrounded by MRT station. And for those of you local, if you are looking to put your kids to school within 1 km, in fact to be exact, 0.6 km, you are actually near to the River Valley Primary School. And for those of you who are thinking of renting out, right, expect will love this area, because it's also within 3 km distance, about 10 minutes drive to Astor International School. So whether you are a local or foreigner, you will love this location and this particular condo. It's time for me to do a thumb check. Right now is 1:49. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Welcome to Aspen Heights. So let's go in and take a look. So hope you like this very rare gem, because nowadays to find 4 bedrooms so big at 1,582 square feet is really, really rare, because it's almost 1,600. And best of all, the price. What I just heard is there's going to be a new launch coming called the Union Square Residences in this particular vicinity, and they are launching at about 3,000 over PSF for 99-year project, right? When actually in the heart of the city, you can get 999 year of freehold for only 2,004 PSF. So right now the chance is because the prices of the outskirts have risen to about 2,005 PSF, and yet District 9 has not risen a lot because of the cooling measure. In a way, you must thank the government for slowing down the growth in Prime District, so that now the price gap is narrow. You find that it's easy for you to upgrade. So traditionally, District 9 is very difficult for local to upgrade to. It has been always a far gap from outskirts. Now your chance is here. It is a window of opportunity. please seize it before government relax the cooling measure for the Prime District, because I don't think they will hold the 60% ABSD for too long. And the good news for those of you who are from these 6 countries, even though you are a foreigner, you will be enjoying the same rate as a Singaporean, which means you do not need to pay the 60% ABSD like the rest of the country. So if you belong to one of these 6 countries, good news, connect with me, because you are going to buy 60% cheaper than other foreigner friends of yours in other countries. Chance of a lifetime, so connect with me. I'm happy to show you the actual unit. My name is Lester Tan from Orange Tea AAG. Happy to show you. Find your dream home through us.